Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Figma AI updates. First, understand that Figma's artificial intelligence features are designed to streamline your design process, offering smart suggestions and automating repetitive tasks. These powerful tools are continuously evolving, with new capabilities frequently introduced. Keeping your Figma application current is key to accessing the latest advancements and improvements in AI functionality. To ensure you have the most recent AI features, it's crucial to verify your Figma version. If you're using the desktop application, navigate to the Help menu and select Check for updates to initiate the process. For those working in a web browser, Figma automatically updates in the background, so you're always on the latest version without manual intervention. This ensures seamless access to new AI tools. Once your Figma is updated, some artificial intelligence features might need to be manually enabled. Explore your account settings or project preferences for specific AI toggles or experimental features sections. Additionally, the vibrant Figma community offers a wealth of AI-powered plugins that can significantly extend your design capabilities. Simply search, install, and integrate these powerful tools into your workflow for enhanced productivity. With the latest artificial intelligence features enabled, it's time to explore their potential. Experiment with AI-driven content generation, intelligent layout suggestions, and automated component creation to see how they can transform your workflow. These tools are designed to save you valuable time and spark creativity. Remember to provide feedback on your experience. Your input helps shape the future development of Figma's powerful AI capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.